Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we will discuss how to resolve this Anydesk issue. Everyone might face this issue like disconnecting while you open the Anydesk. This is a recent issue or a frequent issue happen whenever you have a new Anydesk installed. Let me see how to resolve this issue. First, you need to check the time syncing option, which means check the settings, right click on the time and click on adjust time and settings and go on check the time settings it's been properly synced to the time zone. If not, set the time zone automatically enable and sync again. Once the sync has been successful, try the option Anydesk again whether it's working or not. If not, go to the run command and go to app data. Once you enter the app data, you can find under the roaming Anydesk folder. In this Anydesk folder, right click and delete this folder. Sometimes it prompts the administrator privileges. Not a problem. Try again with the credential. If not working, it means you need to give a privilege, security privilege for the particular Anydesk folder. How you do? Right click and go to properties, securities tab and click edit option to add new role, which is everyone. As you seen in the screen, click add and click everyone, click the check names and click OK and give the full control in allow option. Then click apply OK and try again to delete the folder. This time you will be succeed. Once the folder has gone, try to open the Anydesk again and reconnect it. Check whether it's working or not. If not working, so we need to go for the other solution. The third step would be we need to go for the Windows firewall option. Let me see how we can use the Windows firewall for Anydesk. Now go to the search option and type Windows Defender Firewall. Once you open it, in the left hand side you can see allow an app or future option are there. You have to click on that. Once you click the allow app or future through Windows Defender Firewall, you can see there is a Anydesk application is there and it should be public. So this is one I already have it before. I added already, so that's why it's showing Anydesk private and public. So for you how to add new, click the allow another app and here click the browse, click the add option. Before that click the browse. Once you browse it, you will go to the particular location of the Anydesk application which is available in the Windows Program 86 folder. Here choose the Anydesk application and click OK. Then add a public option. More than that, you need to go to advanced settings to allow inbound and outbound rules. What is meant by inbound? All the incoming connections you need to allow to Anydesk. All the outgoing connections going out from Anydesk you need to allow in the firewall. This has been already been I set it down. For you, I will show you how to do. Right side in the action menu, click the new rule. Once you go to the new rule, the dialog box will show to proceed. Select next and in this program path, select the Anydesk application, click open. And the next window, action window, click the allow the connection and the next one in profile, select all the profile and click the choose the name as Anydesk or anything for incoming and click OK. The same way you have to do for the outbound rules. Click new rule on the right hand side of the action pan. Same, choose the program, go next and choose the Anydesk application which is in the program files. Once you selected, same the action, click allow the connection. Once you click the allow the connection, the profile keep it everything same, domain private and public and give the name for this rule. Example Anydesk outbound or Anydesk inbound. Click OK and then close this window no need to restart it. You can now check open the Anydesk whether it's working or not. Before that, I have removed it and I'm going to reinstall the application. So now I'm going to download the Anydesk. Once you download it, just go to the Google and search for Anydesk and you can download it. The point is, you have been set the rules. Once the rules has been set in the firewall, it should have been work. If not working, try to uninstall the Anydesk. This is the fourth step. Then install it again. Install the latest version directly from the Anydesk and try to install the complete application. Once it's installed, check now whether it's working or not. If not working, nothing to worry. This is the last step. It should be in work. Now install the application completely as I told you. Click accept and install. Once this installation done, we need to change the internet connection. Now this is the crucial part which you need to focus on. Sometimes it won't work on your Wi-Fi connection. So change the Wi-Fi connection into the mobile hotspot. If you are using Android mobile or iPhone mobile, open your hotspot, and I am using an iPhone, so I am sharing the internet from my mobile iPhone. Once the iPhone has been connected, you can see in the screen now, it should be work now. See, it's showing tick mark as it's connected. I'm clicking on the tick mark and I'm clicking the reconnect option to make sure it's working or not. Once I click a reconnect, it's connecting to the relay server of the Anydesk. Now the connection has been established successfully. Now you can close this option and you can check for any other application. I'm using Ultra Viewer also, another one. So I'm trying to check the Ultra Viewer also whether it's working or not. Now I'm trying to connect it, showing getting my ID. Now the IP address has been showing now. So this is the way you can disconnect the hotspot and you can connect back the Wi-Fi again. It will work.